Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can put up increments for your quantity buttons on WooCommerce. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm in the store or marketplace of WooCommerce, and I have found this app which does the job very well. Now, I won't be able to show you guys exactly how it functions. I don't have a WooCommerce subscription. It's too expensive, and I cannot subscribe to these apps. So I'll be showing you guys what this app does and go through some small instructions on this here page, which you can use to fix your problem. Now, once you get this app, you should be able to add quantity buttons such as this, and you can also add increments as well, and you can set these up in a couple of different ways. Now, to set everything up, you just need to purchase the app, download and install the extension. There are several ways of doing this. However, you just need to upload your file onto WooCommerce, and then once you do, just activate the extension, and then you just need to go into your settings and go into quantity increment to add rules to enable the increment buttons for your purchasing page. Then that is pretty much it, and you should be set. There is an instruction here which you can figure out for your own. Again, quantity buttons for WooCommerce is the page I'm at, so you can check it out freely. But that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.